Okay, so I want now to go more carefully and get the performance of my React application per page, per mobile and desktop, my Next.js application, and some famous web application, some famous website of famous companies. Okay, so let's start by making a table. Okay. So this is the page, and this is desktop, and this is mobile. Okay, so let's start. So this is the home page. Okay, so this is home. Let's close this. Okay, so now on home we got 67%. And on desktop 95. Okay. Second, we want to see about. Okay, so we put here about, and let's check. About. So we have 69 for the mobile, and we have for desktop 89. And now let's go to contact. So we have 72 on mobile. Okay, contact. And for desktop, we have 97. Let's just mark everything that above 90 as green. Okay. And because, okay, we'll use this. And if it's between 50 and 89, it will be orange. So this is orange. And also this is orange. Okay. After contact, we have courses. Okay, so let's put here courses. So 69. And for desktop, 93. Okay. So this is courses. Okay. Now we will go to mentoring. Okay, so let's put here mentoring. So 69 here, 69 here for mentoring, and desktop is 96. This is okay. And next one is testimonials. So let's analyze. So we have 68 on the mobile, and on desktop we have 81. And the last one here is events. So put here events, and let's see what we have. So we have 54. And here, let's see what we have for desktop. We have 95. Okay. So this is what we had for React. Now, let's copy it. And let's remove everything here and start from fresh. Let's see what we have on the Next.js application. This is the result application that we are going to achieve. So let's start here. This is the home. So on mobile we have 93. And this is green, right? Just want to remind you what we got for React. Most of it is between 60 and 70, meaning orange. Also here 3 orange. We're starting here with 93. So in desktop 100. Cannot be better. Okay, let's go for about. $96. Again, green. And for desktop, 100. So everything is green. Contact. $94 on mobile. 94. And on desktop, 92. Okay, we will try to do it again. But anyway, both are green, right? Curses. We have 88. Now this is orange, but it is really close to 90. And on desktop we have 99. Now mentoring. $96. And for desktop, 100. So perfect. So both these are green. And this is also green. Okay. Testimonials. 86. It's also orange, but it is very close to 90. I will try to run it again, but for now, here we have 100. So this is green, but very close to 90, right? And the last is events. $98. And here we have 100. So this is also green. And this is also green. So overall, we have only 2 green and only 2 orange, and both of them are very close to 90. And if we will look, this is next, and if we look here everything is green, and the best is 72, and this is 54. So I'm really getting much better result using Next.js. And now to show you that the result that I'm getting are good, I will compare it to other website. Okay, so let's try. Oh, just one more thing. Let's try to do again the courses. Maybe we'll get a small change. Okay, so sometimes there is a difference. You need to invoke it few times. Okay, so now I have 92. Okay, so also 92. And let's do again the testimonials. Okay, this is again 86. Okay, so to be fair, let's do it also here. Okay, so for courses, let's try to do it courses here. Courses. Because sometimes there are small changes. So we will see what we are getting here for mobile, for my React. So 67. Okay, we got less. So 67. But here, now I'm getting only one orange. So this is much better than this, but I want to show you what's happening on very famous website. So Google, let's check this. 94. Oh, just a minute. Let me desktop first, and then mobile. So the desktop we got now. For the mobile we got 94. Okay. 94. And for desktop we have 100. Okay, so this is Google. I was expecting very good result. Now let's check Microsoft again. We did not have good result before. Let's give it a try. Already it is failing. Let's see what we are going to get. Probably very poor results. 25, which is red because it's below. This is green. And this is red because it's below 50. And the desktop, you see it's red. The desktop is 77, and which is orange. Okay, so this is Microsoft, and now vercel, which are the creator of Next.js. Let's see how they are performing. So first we see that it is passed, so it's much better than Microsoft. Okay, so 38. Not clear why they got such bad result, but this is it. And if I'm looking here, I think, just a minute. Mobile analyze, okay? Need to analyze. Let's see what we get. 38. And desktop, 87. So, not great result. I was expecting better result. Let's see React. So 60. Now this is orange. And for desktop, 81. Okay. Now IBM. So it is failing here. 29. And desktop 70. So here, this is red, and this is orange. On LinkedIn, so it is passing the Core Web Vitals test. Let's see what we get here. 91. Oh, this is really good. Okay, and desktop 100. Okay, so this is perfect. And the last, Amazon. $47. And here we have 92. Okay, so let's look at it again. So the only very good ones are Google and LinkedIn. React is medium here, but all the other are really bad. And check my result, and check my result. My result on Next.js. Most of them are green, and here we have my result on React. So I think that I'm getting pretty good results.